Baila como una maniática, el perreo a ella le gusta. Ella es una fanática, con movimientos que asustan. Cuando baila tú estás anormal, y ese paso no lo coges. También baila esa y al papá, hace que todos se antojen.
Hello, welcome back to RUSOMODELS channel. How are you today? Do you feel fine? That's very good. Today we will do the unboxing to this amazing kit, Dome 71 Plymouth GTX. Yes. Everybody waiting for. Look, it's an opening with the nylons. We do it together today. I think you will love it. We will explore the parts, see what different. They say 2-in-1 here. We will see Fast and Furious in this week. Also the new movie of the Fast and Furious. I still don't see it, but I promise you that I will go to the cinema and see it. Also, we have the Impala. Some people see me do many wide body kit and Japanese kits, and this is American lowrider. Yes, Chevy Impala. If you want to see it, go to my Instagram, RUSOMODEL, and you will see it, the progress and everything. Here you will see it after the polish, and it looks fantastic. Look, amazing, guys. Okay, so let's start deep in. We change the angle of the camera. We'll explore this amazing kit together with you. I hope you enjoy, and I have to say once again, join to my club, because my club, it's awesome. Go and see it, guys. It's amazing. We do LB work over there at GTR, and it looks fantastic. Believe me, you will not regret, I promise you. So let's continue. Have a good day, and let's start. Okay, you are here with us. Fast and Furious Plymouth GTX. It's look amazing. Let's open it. I will take a knife and open it together with you guys. It's look awesome. Tam tam ta tam 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 ta tam. Yes. Do you miss me? I miss you too. Wow. It's look awesome. Vin Diesel. It's a good actor. Okay, let's open it together and we see what we have inside. Let's see my clear parts over there. Don't worry, we will open everything today. The body, wow, she's big. She's so big, wow. All the American muscle, big cars. We have one more bag of plastic parts, and this is chrome parts. I don't know, maybe I will de-chrome it and paint it with chrome. So we'll see what we have here. This is the instructor sheet. Awesome. Oh, we have a decal here. This is the decal, guys. Okay, but first, before the decals, let's see the body, because I love bodies. Tam tam ta tam tam ta tam tam tam. Let's open it. This is the tires. Oh, do you see the tires? They look awesome. We need to cut them and a little bit sanding, and that's it. What we have here? More tires. Wow, what's the difference? That's why they say 2-in-1. In this kit we have a 2 version, so keep attention. Oh, I see, this is the wheel that we will use. Okay, they look. Oh, there's a small one and bigger one. I don't know if you can see it, but one of them it's bigger. Okay, thank you very much, Reverend. Wow, what a body. It's look awesome. I love it. Look, guys, with the small spoiler, we have a mold line little bit. We need to send it over there, all the area. We need also over there, send it. You know, all the steps together with me. We will do it in an amazing way. Also, we have a hood over there that open, and it's amazing to see it. Wow, wow. Here I definitely use a bare metal foil over there because we have some small area that in metal, and it definitely going to be crazy. Wow, awesome, awesome. Okay, thank you very much. Let's move to the other one. Wow, it's a big sprue of bags. Wow. Over there. What we have here? This is the famous hood of the Plymouth. Okay, this is the part of the engine, part of the wheels. This is the interior. I think it's look awesome. We will paint it in semi-gloss or gloss black, and it will demonstrate leather look. Wow. This is the small spoiler over there. Do you see it? Fenders. I see the engine block over there in two pieces. This is part of the chassis, the engine block, the cylinder head over there. What is the small pieces? I don't know, but we will see. I think it's a part of the engine. This is the part of the wheel over there, the steering wheel. Well, we have one piece over there. Maybe it's come over there. I don't know. Maybe it's come over there. You see, it's part of the chassis of the car, of the body. We'll see if we need to glue it or not. Don't worry, I will give my tips on this amazing kit that you will see everything. Here we have the disc brakes, guys. Part of the chassis, the suspension. We have the rims, the bigger rims with the bigger wheels. Yes, awesome. Definitely it's look amazing. Fast and Furious team, Universal Studio. That's what they write here. It's look amazing. This is the seat. This is the back of the car, the bottom of the car, all the chassis, and the brake fluid pipe. It's look fantastic. Yes. What we have here, the dashboard. The dashboard, guys, and the radiator, the mirrors over there. We have the two mirrors over there, the stripes, the distributor of the pipe, the cables, ignition cables. This is the part of the exhaust over there. Do you see it? The part of the exhaust. This is, I think, coolant pipe. Steering wheel, GTX, awesome. This is the venting and the pipe over there, and also the transmission over there. You know, it's a amazing brake fluid. The brake fluid. Yes. Wow. Awesome. Front parts. Some people not dechrome it. Some people yes. I think it's if it's good for you, you can don't dechrome it. Just cut it, and also on just paint this area, and that's it. But look, you see, this is the two options that they talk about. You see also the wheels, but we will use the Fast and Furious wheels, not the stock wheels of the GTX Plymouth. Okay, so it will be awesome, guys. I think you will love it. What we have here, this is the carburetor, the air filter of the carburetor, and also this one. We will see what we use. This is the cylinder head in chrome, the mirror, the alternators, the mirror inside, the handles I see here. Wow, awesome, definitely. What we have here more? Yes, clear parts, guys. I will keep the bag and just show you the clear parts. Very small clear parts. This kit not come with windows, just windshield in front and back, and we don't have the side windows. Also we have here the lamps, the front lamps, and it's look fantastic. Guys, let's move forward to the decals, and after that to the instructor sheet and what we talk about it. In this decals you can see it, we have some kind of gold and 440, yes, 440, and GTX in silver and black. It's up to you which kind of car you build. If you build in black, so nobody see the GTX, so it's look okay and nice. We have also over there the indicators. Nice. All I can say, it's nice. Yes, and I believe it will be awesome when it be in my hand. Yes, let's see together what we have here. Let's make a focus that you will see. Okay, here we have all the paint and all the parts. Yes, this is the paint and all the parts. The name of the parts and the A, B, C, D. It's mean you can see which part is in which kind of paint. This is all the instructor sheet that you need to see. Keep attention to this. Where to drill, where to push. Very nice. What we have here is one more list of parts. In the end we have a 156 parts. Yes, 156 parts. Wow, I don't think so, but they say maybe it's a part list. Okay, what we have here is the engine block, how to build it step by step. You see the F, it means F, it's what is F? Orange. They want the engine block in orange. No, so yes, in orange. F, orange. So they want the engine block in orange, another area in black, and it's look awesome. This is the stock version and the Fast and Furious version. Do you see the difference? Very nice. What we have here, how to assemble the wheels over there, step by step. Also over there, the front, the engine block. Very nice, very unique kit. I think it's an awesome car, guys. Here you can see we build the interior. If people buy a Tamiya kit and some Hiroshima kits and even Fujimi kits, it's very different when you build the Reval cars, and especially the AMT, also the MPC. These different cars and a different style of building. I learned to build American muscle from the master Don Yost, if people know him. It's awesome guys that helped me to build American cars, because you need to give some different things with the bare metal foil and handle with the parts and test. Make a lot of test fit before you glue, not like a Tamiya that you buy kit and just paint and put the parts and everything fit. Okay, so let's continue. Here we can see the windshield that you need to before inside paint in black, and after that glue it. It's an easy task. Also the interior parts over there. You connect the chassis over there, the chassis in the car with the interior inside. Step by step, you will do everything with me and it will be very nice. Also over there you can see the front grille with the bumpers and some wings. Also the grill over there of a GTX. I think it's a crazy car and it's look fantastic. Here we the spoiler, the mirror. Okay, the spoiler, the mirror over there. Also the hood. The hood here is open. You can open the hood and see the engine, full engine with all the parts inside. And last, they give you some wide of view of the car from top and bottom and everything, from the front and back, from the side and from the top. You can see here 8, 7, 30. It means that you need to put some decals and see how it's going. We will do it together and I will show you everything. Trust me, I will do everything with you and you will enjoy. And this kit, guys, I think it's amazing kit. Oh, there's nice logo over there. Where are you here? Yes, over there. Also, I don't know if you can see it. Yes, we need to put some decals over there. 10. What is it, 10? It's this one. Yes, super. Yes, guys, and that's it. This is the version of the Fast and Furious, I think. Yes, the decals and also the car and the GTX and everything. Universal Studio. Dominic 71 Plymouth GTX. I hope that you see it like that and you will see it step by step. I will try to do my best for you guys that you will enjoy. And if you have any question about this kit, let me know. You know, you see me build some racing kit and some Tamiya kit and Yoshima kit. And this is the first time that we will build together the whole kit with new parts, and we will do the fitments. We verify the fitments, it's okay, because it's very important before you paint this body and these parts. Make a test fit for the parts. This is the best tip that I can give you about Reval parts, Reval company, AMT, MPC. They make a awesome car, but they are not accurate, okay? Especially the old kit. So we will do it together. I will show you how to fit all the parts, and that's it, I think, guys. It's already too long. It's just unboxing. On the next video, as I all the time do, we will work on the body. We will try to prepare the body and also paint in primer, and I think it will be very nice. Again, people, question, leave a comment, ask me how I do, what I do, or what I decide to do. I will try to answer to all of you guys. Take care, have a good day. Bye bye, RUSOMODEL channel.